Talking to Stewart Angell at G4S Technology. Stewart, can you tell us a little bit about your background and how you came to work for G4S Technology?
I came to work for G4S Technology 3.5 years ago. I originally joined as supply chain director to address some of the manufacturing issues across the organisation, and now within the last 6 months I've become managing director of the technology business. Before that, worked for Atos Consulting based out of London, primarily looking at Challenger tank supply chain solutions. And before that, completed a management buyout of a company called Horseman Controls, originally based in Bath, and then moved to Bristol. Got a strong background in business improvement, project management.
What's the relationship between G4S, the company as a whole, and G4S Technology?
As many people probably already know, G4S is a large organisation spanning 110 countries and 6 continents. The technology business is now developing a far stronger relationship with the rest of the G4S organisation, and really acting as an underpinning activity to support our foray and move into the marketplace to ensure we gain greater traction and greater capability.
How do you see the current state of the security market, and has G4S Technology been affected by the financial downturn?
So we're seeing an ongoing deterioration in terms of the overall trading conditions. The technology business will be affected in terms of the future. However, we're well positioned to benefit from people's focus on making sure they get the maximum benefit from every single pound spent. We know that our investment in technology going forward in terms of design and development, and with technology getting faster and having more capability, then we'll find an improved relationship between capital expenditure and operational expenditure, and technology is well positioned to benefit from that greater effect.
So as a result of technology becoming increasingly important in the current sort of market conditions, does that mean that G4S Technology is becoming increasingly crucial to the rest of the G4S group?
Yes, we know that companies are looking at the most effective way of spending their money, and we know that the cost of technology will actually continue to decrease, the costs of people will continue to increase. So by making the right investment at the right time, people can make longer term savings and benefit from improved technology with improved reporting, improved management information, to ensure that people are making and taking the right steps to optimise the security of any building they've got or any premises they've got around the country.
What are some of the different marketplaces that G4S Technology has been involved in recently?
So the technology business has got a long legacy in education, health, government and financial institutions, and we're seeing a resurgence in terms of demand for technology solutions in those marketplaces. But interestingly, they're marketplaces where some of the cuts in expenditure are going to come through, which is why the drive towards making sure that the return on investment is absolutely right. We'll see a greater cohesion of the manpower and security activity, so it's a fusion of manpower and technology to make sure we develop the right solution for those businesses.
And what are the kind of verticals that G4S Technology is looking at? So
we're looking at vertical markets of healthcare, we're looking at government activity, like some of the more sensitive sites around the UK, and also education and financial institutions focused around London.
What new products does G4S Technology have available?
Well, there's ongoing developments that are happening all the time, but I think one thing I'm quite excited about at the moment is our new range of symmetry cameras with onboard intelligent video content analysis, which can be used across vehicle abandonment, loitering, people counting, and intrusion, and a range of other applications as well. And the application of that typically in the past has been only available in the military or aviation markets, but G4S now has made that technology available to the mainstream, and more importantly made it affordable.
So Stuart, can you tell us what the future is likely to hold for G4S Technology?
I think for myself it's about being recognised as a thought leader in the marketplace, and that's in quite an important place for us to be in terms of positioning of our brand and our organisation, both from a technology and from a wider G4S perspective. We've got to continue to develop IP-centric products, but also offer long-term service and support to those products in the marketplace, and that's where customers will get a true benefit. There's also obviously a need for us to continue to build our relationship with the wider G4S community and benefit from the really, really strong relationship that our company has in the marketplace, and continue to grow our technology exposure.
Thanks very much.